Have you ever felt that knot in your stomach when the economy takes a nosedive? The job market gets shaky, prices at the grocery store climb higher than a skyscraper, and every unexpected expense feels like a punch to the gut. It's a feeling many of us know all too well, and it can be terrifying. In moments of financial uncertainty, when a crisis hits, whether it's a personal one like a job loss or a broader economic downturn, simply hoping for the best isn't a strategy. You need a clear, actionable plan. You need tools that give you control, not just a sense of vague optimism. And that's precisely where an app like Rocket Money can become your most powerful ally. It's not just for saving a few bucks here and there. During a financial crisis, Rocket Money transforms into a crucial command center for your money. It provides the visibility, the automation, and the negotiation power you desperately need to navigate turbulent financial waters. So, how exactly do you leverage Rocket Money to not just survive, but to stabilize and even strengthen your financial position when everything feels like it's falling apart? We're not just talking about minor tweaks, we're talking about a comprehensive strategy to manage your money with precision, identify opportunities, and actively fight back against financial stress. Let's break down how Rocket Money can be your financial lifeline during a crisis, focusing on actionable steps and real-world impact. Phase 1. Getting a crystal clear picture of your finances, the foundation. The first rule of crisis management, whether it's financial or otherwise, is to know exactly what you're dealing with. You can't fix what you don't understand. 1. The all-seeing eye, linking all your accounts. Rocket Money's core strength lies in its ability to aggregate all your financial data in one place. During a financial crisis, this isn't just convenient, it's absolutely essential. Connect every single bank account, credit card, investment account, and even your loans. Why is this so crucial during a crisis? Because panic often leads to fragmented decision-making. You might be checking your checking account balance, then logging into your credit card, then wondering about your student loan payments. This disjointed view makes it impossible to see the big picture. With Rocket Money, you get an immediate, real-time snapshot of your entire financial ecosystem. You'll see your total cash on hand, your total debt, and your overall net worth. This holistic view allows you to identify immediate cash flow issues. Are you bleeding money faster than you thought? Prioritize debt repayment. Which high-interest debt is doing the most damage? Assess your emergency fund. How much truly liquid cash do you have accessible? Without this consolidated view, you're essentially flying blind in a storm. 2. Decoding your spending, categorization, and insights. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money automatically categorizes your transactions. This isn't just a fancy feature, it's a diagnostic tool during a crisis. When you're facing financial hardship, every single dollar matters. Rocket Money's spending insights will quickly highlight where your money is actually going. You might think you know, but often, the data reveals surprises. Fixed versus variable expenses. Clearly identify what you absolutely must pay, rent, minimum loan payments, versus what can be adjusted, groceries, entertainment. Expense spikes. Did you unknowingly increase your spending in a particular category? Rocket Money will flag unusual activity. Leakage identification. Those small, seemingly insignificant daily purchases, like that daily coffee or snack, can add up quickly. During a crisis, these are often the first to go. This level of detailed spending analysis empowers you to make informed decisions about where to cut back, rather than guessing. It moves you from a reactive mindset to a proactive one. Phase 2. Aggressive cost-cutting and optimization, immediate impact. Once you understand your financial landscape, it's time to take decisive action. This is where Rocket Money truly shines in its ability to identify and help you eliminate unnecessary expenses. 3. The subscription slayer, eliminating hidden drains. One of Rocket Money's most celebrated features is its ability to identify and help you cancel unwanted subscriptions. During a financial crisis, this feature moves from being a convenience to a necessity. Think about it. How many streaming services, gym memberships you don't use, or app subscriptions have you signed up for and forgotten? These seemingly small monthly charges can accumulate into a significant drain on your resources. Rocket Money scans your transactions and presents you with a clear list of all your recurring subscriptions. From there, you can cancel directly through the app. For many services, Rocket Money can even cancel on your behalf, saving you the hassle of navigating labyrinthine cancellation processes. This is invaluable when you're already stressed. Identify zombie subscriptions, those free trials that rolled into paid subscriptions. Rocket Money finds them. Prioritize cuts. You can easily see the cumulative cost of your subscriptions and decide which are truly essential during a lean period. Every dollar saved from a canceled subscription is a dollar that can go towards essential bills, debt repayment, or your emergency fund. This isn't just about saving money, it's about reclaiming your financial power. 4. The Master Negotiator, lowering your bills. This is a game changer during a financial crisis. Rocket Money offers a bill negotiation service where they will actually call your service providers, cable, internet, phone, even some insurance companies, on your behalf to try and get you a lower rate. Imagine this: you're already overwhelmed, dealing with anxieties about your income, and the thought of spending hours on the phone negotiating with customer service is unbearable. Rocket Money takes that burden off your shoulders. They know the tricks, the discounts, and the best ways to get companies to lower your monthly payments. While they take a percentage of the savings as a fee, you choose from a range. If they don't save you money, you don't pay anything. During a financial crisis, even a small reduction in your monthly utility or service bills can free up critical cash flow. This service effectively puts money back into your pocket without you lifting a finger, directly impacting your ability to meet essential expenses. 5. Say goodbye to fees, overdraft, and late fee assistance. Banks love fees. Overdraft fees, late payment fees, they can be a significant setback, especially when you're already struggling. Rocket Money helps you avoid these pitfalls and even get some refunded. The app provides real-time alerts for low balances and upcoming bills, giving you time to transfer funds or make adjustments to avoid an overdraft. Furthermore, for premium members, Rocket Money can even help you request refunds for overdraft and late fees directly from your bank. This isn't about saving a few dollars, it's about preventing a cascade of financial penalties that can dig you deeper into a hole during a crisis. It's about protecting your hard-earned money from being eaten away by avoidable charges. Don't just weather the storm, use the right tools to steer your ship through it, emerge stronger, and build lasting financial habits that will serve you long after the crisis has passed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.